Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Lockheed Martin Skunk Works and XTEND integrate drone command systems for JADC2 missions global. Lockheed Martin Skunk Works and XTEND have collaborated to integrate the XTEND operating system into the Skunk Works MDCX multi-domain combat system autonomy platform. The integration enables simultaneous command and control of multiple classes of unmanned aerial systems, improving situational awareness for lower-level mission execution in joint all-domain command and control scenarios. In November, the companies demonstrated an integrated multi-class MDCX multi-domain combat system workstation in support of a marsupial drone mission. During the demonstration, a larger unmanned aerial system deployed a smaller Class 1 drone to carry out a close-range task. Previously, control of the smaller drone would be transferred from the operator of the larger system to a separate operator using lower-level controls. With the planned integration of XTEND's operating system into the multi-class MDCX multi-domain combat system platform, a single operator is able to conduct both missions. The demonstration showed a reduction in overall manpower requirements for complex missions by removing the need for handovers to lower-tier operators. It also improved situational awareness across the entire mission space. XTEND provides combat-proven drone command and control solutions used by armed forces worldwide, including capabilities designed to operate when GPS global positioning system signals are denied or radio frequency links are jammed. The operating system allows new operators to conduct missions at near expert level proficiency, reducing training time while increasing operational effectiveness and decision-making quality. Lockheed Martin Skunk Works and XTEND are now focusing on applying these techniques to joint all-domain command and control missions and decision loops. Skunk Works said it remains committed to piloted and drone teaming to optimize operational flexibility, shorten data-to-decision timelines and enhance pilot safety. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.